How to manage app permissions on Mac. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to control what your apps can access on your Mac, whether it's a camera, microphone, location, or files? In this video, I'll show you how to manage app permissions on your MacBook. Head over to your system settings. Then in the sidebar, scroll down and click on privacy and security. Now under the privacy section, you'll find various categories like location services, camera, microphone, Bluetooth, and all. So click on the permission category that you want to manage. So I'm clicking on microphone and you can see that Brave Browser, GarageBand and Microsoft Teams use my microphone. So let's say I do not want GarageBand to use my microphone, then I'll just toggle it off. So this is how you allow or deny access. Similarly, you can come back, head over to camera and then do the same. You can toggle the switch to allow or deny the permission. Similarly, you can do that with location services as well, with your Bluetooth as well. So it's as simple as that. So that's how you manage app permissions on your Mac. Regularly viewing these settings helps keep your data secure and ensures app only have access to what they need. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.